Want to get fit but don't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Vibrant Vigil, your one-stop shop for all things fitness. Today, we're going to tackle a simple yet effective 10-minute full body workout. Whether you're a seasoned gym goer or a complete beginner, this routine is perfect for you. You don't need any fancy, expensive equipment or a gym membership to get started. All you need is a little space, a dash of determination, and a commitment to your health. This workout is designed to target every major muscle group, ensuring a balanced and comprehensive fitness routine. It's not about how much time you spend working out, but how effectively you use that time. And this 10-minute workout is the embodiment of efficiency. So, whether you're starting your fitness journey or simply looking for a quick and effective workout, you've come to the right place. Get ready to jumpstart your fitness journey with a workout that is quick, simple, and effective. Before you start any workout, it's crucial to warm up your body. Warming up not only prepares your muscles for the exercise ahead, but also helps reduce the risk of injury. So, let's get started with a few simple warm-up exercises. First up, jogging in place. This is a great way to get your heart rate up and your blood flowing. Just lift those knees and jog at a comfortable pace for about a minute. Next, let's move on to arm circles. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and extend your arms out to the sides. Then start making small circles with your arms, gradually increasing the size. Do this for about 30 seconds in each direction. Lastly, we have leg swings. Find something to hold onto for balance and start swinging one leg forward and backward. Do about 15 swings with each leg. These exercises help to increase your body's temperature and flexibility, improving your overall performance. Now that you're warmed up, it's time to get into the workout. Our first exercise is jumping jacks, a classic full body movement. Jumping jacks are an oldie but a goodie. Start by standing tall with your feet together and hands at your sides. Then jump your feet out wide as you raise your arms overhead, clapping your hands together at the top. As swiftly as you can, reverse the movement, jumping your feet back together and bringing your arms back down to your sides. That's one jumping jack. Now let's talk form. It's crucial to land softly on the balls of your feet, bending your knees a little as you land to protect your joints. This isn't a high-impact exercise, so keep it gentle. As for the benefits, jumping jacks are a true full-body workout. They improve cardiovascular fitness, enhance agility, and tone your entire body. They're also a great way to get your heart rate up quickly. Remember, it's not about speed, but about maintaining consistent movement. Next up, we have push-ups, a great exercise for strengthening your upper body. To start, place your hands shoulder-width apart on the floor. Extend your legs behind you, and prop yourself up on your toes. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Now, lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor, then push yourself back up to the initial position. If you're a beginner, don't worry. You can modify this exercise by doing push-ups on your knees or against a wall. The key is to maintain a straight line from your head to your knees or heels. Push-ups are incredibly beneficial. They work your chest, shoulders, and arms, and they also engage your core, promoting overall strength and stability. They might be challenging at first, but keep at it, and you'll see improvement over time. Remember, every push-up you do brings you one step closer to a stronger, healthier you. Now we'll move on to squats, a fundamental lower body exercise. Squats are all about technique. Begin by standing tall, feet shoulder-width apart, toes pointing slightly outwards. Lower yourself as if sitting down on an invisible chair, pushing your hips back and bending the knees. Ensure your knees stay aligned with your toes, never extending past them. This is crucial for protecting your knee joints. Now push through your heels, straighten your legs, and return to the standing position. That's one squat. Repeat this while maintaining a steady rhythm. Remember, control is key, not speed. Squats offer numerous benefits. They strengthen your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, and they also engage your core, improving overall body strength and balance. Regular squats can enhance mobility and flexibility, making daily activities easier. They also help burn calories, contributing to weight management. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, squats are a versatile, effective, and accessible exercise. Squats are a powerful exercise for building lower body strength and flexibility. Our final exercise is the plank, an excellent core strengthening exercise. Let's get into the mechanics of it. To start a plank, position yourself face down on the floor with your forearms and toes supporting your body weight. Your elbows should be directly under your shoulders, and your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. This is your standard plank position. For beginners, you can modify this by dropping your knees to the ground, reducing the amount of weight your core has to support. Over time, as your strength improves, you can progress to the full plank. Planks are a fantastic exercise for several reasons. They target not only your abs but also your back, shoulders, and glutes. By strengthening these core muscles, planks can help improve your overall stability and posture. Remember, it's not about how long you can hold the plank, but about maintaining good form. Great job on completing the workout. Now it's time to cool down. Cooling down is just as important as the main exercise. It helps your body to recover, lowers your heart rate gradually, and reduces the risk of muscle soreness. Start with walking in place for a few minutes. This helps to gradually lower your heart rate and ease your body back into its normal state. Breathe deeply and evenly, filling your lungs with fresh oxygen that your body craves after such an intense workout. Next, let's move on to some gentle stretching. This could be as simple as reaching for the sky and then bending down to touch your toes, or a classic quad stretch. Remember to hold each stretch for about 20 to 30 seconds. This helps to increase flexibility and further reduce muscle tension. Take a moment to congratulate yourself on completing this workout. You've taken a big step toward improving your fitness. And there you have it, a simple 10-minute full-body workout for beginners. This routine is your gateway to fitness, a stepping stone that can lead you to an active and healthier lifestyle. We've started with a warm-up, preparing your body for the workout, and reducing the risk of injuries. This phase is crucial, as it gets your heart rate up and muscles ready. From there, we moved on to the jumping jacks, a full-body exercise that increases your heart rate and promotes fat burning. This exercise is a perfect blend of cardio and strength training, targeting multiple muscle groups at once. Next, we dove into push-ups, an upper body exercise that strengthens your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Push-ups are a fantastic way to build upper body strength and stability, and they are versatile, allowing you to modify them to your level of fitness. Then, we've got the squats. Squats are the go-to exercise for a reason. They work your entire lower body, especially the glutes, hamstrings, and quadriceps. They also improve your core strength and stability, making them a great all-round exercise. We rounded out the workout with planks, a core strengthening exercise that focuses on your abdominal muscles. Planks also engage your shoulders, arms, and glutes, making them a full-body exercise in their own right. And finally, we cooled down, allowing your heart rate and breathing to return to normal. Cooling down is just as important as warming up, as it helps to gradually relax, lengthen, and restore your muscles. Regularly incorporating this workout into your routine can bring a multitude of benefits. Regular exercise improves strength, flexibility, cardiovascular health, and overall well-being. It can boost your mood, increase your energy levels, and even improve your sleep. So why wait? Start today and make this workout a part of your daily routine. Remember, the key to fitness is consistency. Keep at it and you'll see improvements in no time. Thanks for joining us and see you in the next video.